So hey guys, as you can see, Samsung has dominated the foldable smartphone industry for the past few years while other brands are trying to get into it. But one company that is ready to compete with the Samsung in the foldable device market is Oppo. And now Oppo has achieved something that Samsung should be worried about because Samsung has failed in that department of foldable phones. Before that, in my most recent video, I told you about the Oppo Find N2, which is the Find N successor. The Find N2 screenshot was leaked. Based on the images that were released, Oppo is indeed working on its second generation foldable phone. Surprisingly, the company is also developing its first clamshell phone named Oppo Find N Flip, which is also likely to launch before 2022 ends. Now, according to Ice Universe tweet, the next Oppo Find N2 will also solve another issue that foldable smartphones have previously struggled to overcome. In this case, the problem is the weight of the device. Even after introducing the 4th generation of its Galaxy Fold and Flip series, Samsung is unable to reduce the weight of its foldable devices. The source claims that the Oppo Find N2 will be lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, weighing less than 240 grams. This means it is 15% lighter than its predecessor. To put its weight in reference, the current Oppo Find N weighs 275 grams. Additionally, Oppo was able to reduce the display crease on the Find N, which is still somewhat notable on Samsung's foldable device. Furthermore, Oppo's foldable device also offers better aspect ratio than those offered by the Galaxy Z Fold 4. In fact, the cover screen of the Oppo Find N is wider than that of the Samsung's model. Oppo is anticipated to improve the Find N2's user experience by making it lighter and less bulky. According to me, Oppo is creating a foldable phone to overtake Samsung's Z foldable phones. Last year, the Oppo Find N certainly received compliments from everyone about the design and compactness of the phone, as well as calls the Samsung take a lesson from Oppo's approach to body design. And now that Oppo has done it once more, people will once more compare the Oppo Find N2 to the Z Fold 4 and criticize Samsung for the Find N2's lighter weight. In terms of hardware, the Find N is already one of the best foldable money can buy. In many ways, it surpasses its main direct competitor, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Find N folds flat, removing the annoying gap that Samsung's users still have to deal with. This is another reason to anticipate that the Oppo Find N2 will be accessible globally. So what do you think about this Oppo Find N2? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.